everybody, this is Lillian, and she had a birthday this summer, and it's summertime while we're making this video. And how old did you turn, Lillian? She turned 6 years old, and she is now going to start school this year. She's going to be in Form 1B, or first grade, aren't you? And so we are going to do Lesson 7 together. And we're going to do the first part now, and then we're going to do the part with our whiteboard as a second video. So we're going to practice listening with our ears. And I know that right now Lillian is here, but in Lesson 6, Acacia, my oldest daughter, who's 14, was in the video. So even though you might feel like these are for small children, they really aren't. They're for anyone who is training their ear as a beginner. They're even for moms and dads. So just because if you're a teenage boy or girl and you think, well, this is a 6-year-old, this is too babyish for me, it's not. You might feel like you're echoing a lot, but you're practicing training your ear to hear intervals or spaces between notes. And so when we sing things like do, sol, do, and we repeat those things, and then we look at them on the solfege ladder, or what we call the modulator, you're actually training your ear to hear and to listen. And practice knowing what those spaces between the notes sound like, so that when we begin to sight read, you will know what to sing when you see notes on written music. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so what was the new note that Acacia was learning in the last video? Do you remember?
Me.
Me. Can everyone do the hand sign for me? It's this, like a flat table. And it kind of has a sense of being a stable note. That's why it's flat. We hold our hand flat like that. So, that was our hand sign for it. Now listen to these sounds and then sing them yourself. So I'm going to sing, and then you guys can sing along with Lillian. Are you ready? Are you guys ready? Okay. So here's the first one. Do, mi. Can you do it?
Do, mi.
Our hand is flat like a table, remember? Let's do that again. Do, mi. And now can you guys do it all by yourself at home? Start on do, and then you sing.
Do, mi.
Yeah, that's right, Lillian. Good. Okay. Now we're going to do a new do, and we can start on any do we want. Do does not have to be a C on the piano, and we can sing a mi from a new do. So here's a new do. Do. What's mi from there? Do,
Do, mi.
That's right. Now you guys sing it with us.
Do, mi.
Now can you sing it all by yourself? You guys at home, try it. Starting on do. Lillian, can you show them what it should sound like?
Do, mi.
Yep, don't forget. That's do. Do, or sol, is up here. Okay. Now we're going to do another do. Do. That's kind of a low do.
Do, mi.
Do, mi. That's right. Can you sing it by yourself, Lillian?
Do, mi.
That's kind of low for a small child, isn't it?
Do, mi.
But it might be a good sound for the big boys. Do you think? I bet so. Okay. Now I'm going to sing a really long pattern, and I want you to sing them and sing it with me and make the hand signs as I do. Okay? Sit up. Okay, this is a long pattern, so you're going to need to listen carefully. And then in the next video, I'll have it written down and we'll try it again. I'll do it in 2 sections, okay? Are you ready to listen? Don't play with your finger. Listen, ready? Okay, everybody ready to listen? Okay. Do, mi, mi, sol, sol, mi, mi, do. That's the first part. Can you do that?
Do, mi, mi, sol, sol, mi, mi, do.
Good, you got it. Did you guys get it along with her? Oopsie.
My phone.
My phone is beeping. Don't you hate it when phones ring when you're recording? Whoops. Okay. So Lillian did a really good job listening carefully and narrating that tune back. Let's try it again together, shall we? That first part. Ready? Do, mi, mi, sol, sol, mi, do. Now the second part goes like this. Listen. Do, sol, sol, mi, sol, sol, do. That's a little more complicated. Can you do it?
Do, sol, 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 mi, do. Sol, 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 do.
She got a few extras. Were you looking at my notes or were you doing it from your memory?
From my memory.
You were? Good for you. Okay, let's all try it together. And when you see my hand sign, you can sing it with me. Okay, this is the second half. Do, sol, sol, mi, sol, sol, do. Good. And that's just
Can I
a way
try
for us
fast?
to practice. Not right now, okay? So now I want you to listen to these 4 sounds that I'm going to sing, and I want you to wait and let the kids try to answer at home, and then you answer the question. And the question is, I want you to listen, and then I want you to hear on which sounds have I laid the stress or the strong sound, okay? So ready? Are you ready to listen? Do, do. Oh, I better start again, sorry. Do, do, sol, mi. Wait,
Do.
which ones did you guys at home hear the strong stress? Do you remember which ones I made sound more strong?
Like this. Do, do. So, 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 mi, mi.
Yeah, that's what I sang, but which ones were strong?
The first do and then the mi.
Which
The
was,
no, not the
Yeah.
mi, the sol.
no, the mi was right. The mi was right. So, do, mi. So the first one and the
And then the do and the sol were the quiet ones.
a little more quiet and not stressed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. So on the first and the fourth. And so we write those names of those sounds on the board. Do you guys remember what we put before the first and the fourth? What sort of thing should go on the board to show that it's a strong, stressed note? Because we learned this last time.
I don't know.
Remember when we write the letters and Anthony? Sorry about that. Remember when we write the letters on the board and the dots and the lines? What goes before the note if it's a strong, stressed note?
The line.
That's right. Do you guys remember that? A line goes there. That's correct. And then, so on our next video, we're going to do it on the board, and we will show you how. And we just moved into a new house, so we don't have a board in this room. So we're going to have to figure that one out, and we will be back for our next video in a little while. So practice that first part, and then watch the second video.